Hello and welcome to FC Goa TV. We are all expecting a great culmination to the ISL Season 5. FC Goan ह्या सिजनान बऱ्यापैकी फुटबॉलाचें प्रदर्शन केल्लें आसा. तांची कामगिरी इतली सुंदर जाल्या आनी तातूंतल्यान लीग फेजीन तांणी जॉयंट टॉप पोजिशनार आपली मजल मारिल्ली. बेंगलुरू FC जे दुसरे फायनलिस्ट जावन आसा तांच्या इतले 34 पॉयंट घेवन बेंगलुरू आणि FC गोवा जॉयंट टॉपर्स थारिल्ले. पोरू FC गोवा बेंगलुरूपेक्षा 10 पॉयंटांनी सकयल आशिल्ले. सो हाज्या वयल्यान आमकां कळून येता की FC गोवान ह्या वर्सा बरोच प्रोग्रेस केला आनी बेंगलुरू इतलेच पॉयंट घेवन लिगान जॉयंट टॉप सुवात मेळयली. हाजें कारण म्हळ्यार FC गोवाक ह्या वर्सा आपल्या एटॅकाचेरूच न्हय तर डिफेन्सांतूनय बरी कामगिरी केल्या हें आमकां कळून येता. तांची जी डिफेंड करपाची जी पद्दत आसा ती ह्या वर्सा खूब बरी आसा, कारण हातूंत गेल्ल्या सिजनाच्या उपरांत सायन केल्लो मुर्तदा फॉल आनी कार्लोस पेनान खूब बऱ्यापैकी खेळ केल्लो आसा. एटॅकान जाल्यार उलोवपाचेंच ना. एटॅकान परत एकदां फेरान कोरोमिनासान 16 गोल मारून सामको टॉप पोजिशनार आपले स्थान व्हेल्लें आसा आनी गोल्डन बूट दुसऱ्या वर्साय ताजे बॉल्सान पावला. सो in this way FC Goa have won all our hearts of all our Goans this season, and we are really expecting something sensational on Sunday when they take on Bengaluru FC in the finals in Mumbai. Let us now talk to FC Goa's key players and know what's going through their mind. Korominas la 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 la. 1, 2, 3, 4 Korominascha jai jaikar. These are the few chants that are dedicated to this man. None other than Ferran Korominas, the leading goal scorer of the ISL once again. It's the second consecutive year. Koro, well done, and FC Goa in the big finals. Obviously, what's going through your mind today?
Right now, I only want that moment to come. We are all the team looking forward to that moment. Also willing to give our 100% and all thinking of only lifting that trophy.
When FC Goa fell a little short of doing the ultimate thing last year, how big was the disappointment, and how compared to that, how is the feeling today?
Sí, el año pasado teníamos también muy buen equipo, habían buenas sensaciones.
Last year also we did have a very good squad, but unfortunately the second leg it didn't go the way we were expecting. By this season we are all very excited, and I think also the feelings we are having at this moment is different from what we had last season.
You have been involved in cup finals in your long career. How does it feel on the morning of cup final day?
Bueno, yo siempre que hay día de partido, pues aunque sea durante
Well, for me, every day when I wake up in a match day is very, very special. But when we are talking about a final, it's even more special. The first thing you do that morning is in your mind you are thinking, oh, today is the day, and you cannot not miss.
Bengaluru have beaten us twice this season in the league, and now you play at a neutral venue in Mumbai. It seems like the ground there is smaller than that in Goa. So what adjustments can the team make, and what adjustments the player can make? In the end, the result will be, we all like to see is the downfall of Bengaluru and victory for FC.
Bengaluru is true that they have a very, very good squad, and also they have beaten us in the two fixtures we had against them. But to be fair, both games were very open games, and this time we had our chances. And I think this time, if we play at our 100% and without making mistakes, there is a big chance we get the victory.
Campo que sea pequeño no nos condiciona.
No, the size of the pitch won't affect our style of playing. We have to keep being loyal to our style, to our idea, and basically have the possession of the ball.
All the best, Koro, and score a lot of goals. Good luck. We have with us classy midfielder Edu Bedia. Edu, just close to the big final, the league having turned into a cup final now. What's going through your mind?
Going through our minds is just getting ready the best way possible to the finals. It's one goal we set at the beginning of the season. We have been working for it, so now let's try to get there in the best shape and as possible.
If you look at the journey of FC Goa to the finals this season compared to last, wherein the journey ended at the playoff stage, do you think that the road to the finals has been easier because the team has made less mistakes than the last season?
All of us, we have been working these 2 years under Sergio Lovera, and this makes things much easier because you have more time now to pick up that idea of football, that style, and that make the team very strong, and that's the main difference from last season. I wouldn't say it has been easier because there is no game which is easy, but this thing has made things easier.
Even the signings that came in at the end of the last season have helped the team a lot, like Murtada Fall and Carlos Pena, to name a couple of them.
Sí, no solo ellos,
not
sino
only
todos
them, but
los
all
jugadores
the
también
new
nuevos que se
players
han incorporado a este grupo de trabajo que ya estábamos el año pasado, han aportado muchísimo desde el principio y la verdad es que la recompensa está jugar esta final del domingo.
A great memory of a cup final in your career before, and how big will be the Sunday morning for you?
Not many,
no creas, los futbolistas profesionales no suelen jugar muchas finales, solo unos pocos afortunados tienen la oportunidad de disfrutar de finales, y esto es un título que para cualquiera de los que estamos dentro del vestuario, ya sean extranjeros o jugadores indios, es muy importante. Porque esto te lo
will be great, no, to get in that,
dentro del palmarés,
to get in also the history of the club.
FC Goa and Bangalore FC both have a Catalan connection and great playing style. Both coaches as well have Barcelona connection, even you as well. So a perfect classic final to finish the ISL, isn't it?
We both teams have done great during the season. Both coaches they come from the Spanish academies with a very similar kind of football. Both teams, both players, we like to keep the possession of the ball, so it will be a very tough and very tight game. But hopefully we can bring back the victory with us.
Bangalore FC have done a double over FC Goa this season. Do you think this will be the fitting reward to give them back, payback time for Bangalore now?
Bueno, los partidos de liga son totalmente diferentes a una final, no tienen nada que ver. Una final es tú o yo.
The league games are completely different to a final. In a final it's either you or me. We both have had a very a great season, and as I said before, it will be a very tight game, but I hope and expect we get that victory.
Personally, any scores to settle with your counterparts in Bangalore?
There in Bengaluru, one is Alex Barrera, who played with me 1 year in Zaragoza, and another one is Luisma, who played with me for 12 years in the Racing de Santander grassroots. I want to tell them both that I hope they are ready because we are going to beat them.
You are a thinking footballer. We have seen how you go about your football. And what do you think a team requires to win a big cup final?
We have to try to approach this final with personality. I know it's difficult what I'm going to say, but we have to try not to think that we are playing the final. And what we have to do is go out there without fear and keep playing the same style we have been doing throughout the whole season.
Thank you very much. Mandar Rao Desai is FC Goa's longest serving player. Mandar, let us focus on the journey of the last 2 years. And today FC Goa are in the finals under the guidance of Sergio Lobera. How do you describe this journey?
I think so. um it has been totally a different journey from Sergio Lobero to Goa, and I think it's completely different football from Zico. We have been learning a lot of things from Sergio, and the team have performed from the last year. We were in the top four last year, and this year also we have made it to the semi-finals and now in the finals. So everyone likes Sergio and the playing style what Sergio have performed here.
Yes. We've seen how FC Goa have improved this year compared to last year. Last year there were a lot of mistakes, especially in the defense. The attack was good. The attack is good this year as well, but defense has been stunningly different. Lots of improvement. So how is the confidence in the team now for the big day?
Yes, last year we have considered a lot of goals, and it was like we were scoring but we used to concede. But this year, from the very start of the season, we tried to improve ourselves in the defense. In the pre-season we tried to improve, and we also have different players this year who are playing the defense, Pena and Fal. So I think so they have been doing really a great job, and also the goalkeepers. And we have kept a lot of clean sheet this time, so that's a good result for the team.
Overall, the best two teams have made it to the ISL finals this year. Last year, everybody thought like Goa should have been there with Bengaluru, but this year, Goa have made it. So, the best possible finish to the league this year?
Yes, very important to win the finals, I think, because we have been working hard throughout the season, and we have done really well. People have enjoyed the football what we are playing, and I think they are waiting for the big day on 17th. But we are playing against a good opponent who have defeated us in the league games. But as I always said, this game is completely different from those games, and I think we have to give our best. That's all.
We've played in Mumbai last 3 times this season now. Bengaluru have played once in the league game. So how different will it be for Bengaluru to play there? Because the ground there seems to be a little smaller than here or in Bengaluru. So FC Goa would have a little advantage over Bengaluru?
Yes, we have played there 3 times, and I think we have performed well. We have won the games over there, and I think Bengaluru also played there and they have lost the game. But it doesn't matter, because this game is completely different. And yes, as you said, the pitches might be a little bit smaller, but I think both the teams have a good side, and they like to keep the ball. So I think it will be a tough game.
Right. Bengaluru also have, as you said, they have a similar philosophy of football, Spanish connection, especially with Barcelona. So overall, how different could players' approach be that day? How will the players have to give more than 100% to get the result this time? Because twice we have lost against Bengaluru this season, and that was in league phase. So
I think so. A lot of concentration and focus is needed for this game, because it's not like a league game. I think it's just one game who can turn everything and make you a champion. So I think a lot of concentration and focus is needed in this game, because even if you go behind or something, you always need concentration to come back. So I think 100% concentration for each and everyone, from starting from the coach to everyone, all the players. And I think we have to just work hard in the training before the games and just prove ourselves best in the finals.
as a captain, you would have been delighted to see a strong contingent of FC Goa fans there in Mumbai ahead of the first leg of the playoff, and the result that you got, it was tremendous. Then the team came towards the fan gallery and you all were really celebrating, and I thought you were also thanking the fans for being there. So you want to send a message out to them ahead of the big final?
Yes, in the first leg of the semi-finals in Mumbai, they were so happy, and they had already booked their tickets for the finals, even not playing the second leg. And I think they are so, they so much believe in us that we can make it to the finals. And now in the finals, they will come in large numbers for sure. And I just want to tell them that just support us till the end, because this is all for them. The style of playing, they enjoy it, and the trophy will be for them. So I think we just need their support in large numbers in Mumbai, and we will try our best and win the trophy.
Surely. And before I let you leave, let me know how would you feel on the morning of the big final day, because you have been involved in the final in the second season of the ISL under Zico. How did that morning feel, and how would you feel on Sunday morning?
I think so. Each and every player will be excited. I think no one should be on any pressure or something. I just want them to be excited about the game and just go on the pitch and enjoy the game, enjoy the football which we have been playing for the last 2 years, and just give our best and just do what we are good at doing, and the results will come.
Have you erased the memories of that heartbreaking night into?
It was a bad day for us, and I remember that thing. But we have a chance to bring the trophy home this year. But we will try our best, and all of us will try our best.
Good luck, Mandar.
Thank you.
So now the stage is set for the grand finale, and two of the best teams in India, that is FC Goa and Bengaluru FC, are going to clash for that big purse prize money of 8 crore rupees on offer for the winners of the ISL 5.